Lesson 1, English Start Here. EP 6, 20 Basic English Sentences for Daily Life. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Tarano Speak English. I am happy you are here. This channel helps you speak English with confidence, step by step. Today, I will teach you 20 basic English sentences for daily life. I use simple words. You can use these sentences every day. Let's start together. Relax, listen, and repeat with me. Sentence 1. Hello. How are you? This sentence is a greeting. I use it to say hello and ask about feelings. You can use it with friends, coworkers, or people you meet. I use it when I see someone for the first time today. You can use it in the morning, afternoon, or evening. This sentence is suitable in polite and friendly situations. A common mistake is saying only hello and stopping. To avoid this, add how are you to sound friendly. You can say, hello, how are you? You may say, hello, how are you today? For example, say, hello, how are you? With a smile. Sentence 2, I am fine, thank you. This sentence answers the question, how are you? It shows you are okay and polite. I use it when someone asks about my feelings. You can use it in daily conversations. This sentence is good for formal and casual situations. A common mistake is saying only, I fine. To avoid this, always say, I am fine. You can say, I am fine, thank you. You may say, I'm fine, thank you. For example, say, I am fine, thank you. And you? Sentence 3, what is your name? This sentence asks for someone's name. I use it when I meet someone new. You can use it to start a conversation. It is suitable in polite situations. A common mistake is saying, what's your name? To avoid this, remember is in the sentence. You can ask question, what is your name? You may say, what is your name, please? For example, say, hello, what is your name? Sentence 4, my name is. This sentence tells your name. I use it to introduce myself. You can use it after someone asks your name. It is suitable in all situations. A common mistake is forgetting is. Do not say, my name blank blank blank. You can say, my name is Anna. You may say, my name is Tom. For example, say, my name is David. Nice to meet you. Sentence 5, nice to meet you. This sentence shows politeness and friendliness. I use it when I meet someone for the first time. You can use it after saying your name. It is suitable in formal and informal situations. A common mistake is saying, nice meet you. To avoid this, remember to. You can say, nice to meet you. You may say, nice to meet you too. For example, say, my name is Tom. Nice to meet you. Sentence 6, where are you from? This sentence asks about country or city. I use it in friendly conversations. You can use it when you want to know someone better. It is suitable in casual conversations. A common mistake is saying, where are you from? That is informal. Use the full sentence. You can ask question, where are you from? You may say, where are you from originally? For example, say, nice to meet you. Where are you from? Sentence 7. I am from Thailand. This sentence tells where you come from. I use it to answer, where are you from? You can change the country name. It is suitable in daily conversations. A common mistake is saying, I from Thailand. To avoid this, remember am. You can say, I am from Thailand. You may say, I'm from Bangkok. For example, say, I am from Thailand. How about you? Sentence 8. How old are you? This sentence asks about age. I use it with friends or classmates. You can use it in friendly situations. It is not suitable in very formal situations. A common mistake is saying, how old you? To avoid this, say the full sentence. You can ask question, how old are you? You may say, how old are you now? For example, say, can I ask, how old are you? Sentence 9. I am learning English. This sentence talks about your activity. I use it to talk about study. You can use it to tell people about your goal. It is suitable in daily life and learning situations. A common mistake is saying, I learning English. Always say, I am. You can say, I am learning English. You may say, I am learning English every day. For example, say, I am learning English on YouTube. Sentence 10. Can you help me, please? This sentence asks for help politely. I use it when I need assistance. You can use it in shops, schools, or offices. It is suitable in polite situations. A common mistake is forgetting please. Always add please to sound polite. You can say, can you help me, please? You may say, excuse me, can you help me? For example, say, can you help me with this? Sentence 11. Thank you very much. This sentence shows gratitude. I use it to say thanks politely. You can use it after receiving help. It is suitable in all situations. A common mistake is saying only thank. Always say thank you. You can say thank you very much. You may say thank you so much. For example, say thank you very much for your help. Sentence 12. You're welcome. This sentence answers, thank you. I use it to be polite. You can use it after someone thanks you. It is suitable in daily conversations. A common mistake is saying welcome. To avoid this, say you're welcome. You can say you're welcome. You may say you're very welcome. For example, say you're welcome. No problem. Sentence 13. Excuse me. This sentence gets attention politely. I use it before asking a question. You can use it in public places. It is suitable in polite situations. A common mistake is using it to say, sorry only. Remember, it is also for attention. You can say, excuse me. You may say, excuse me, please. For example, say, excuse me, where is the restroom? Sentence 14. I'm sorry. This sentence shows apology. I use it when I make a mistake. You can use it when you are late or wrong. It is suitable in polite and emotional situations. A common mistake is overusing it. Use it only when needed. You can say, I'm sorry. You may say, I'm sorry about that. For example, say, I'm sorry I am late. Sentence 15. What time is it? This sentence asks about time. I use it when I don't have a clock. You can use it anywhere. It is suitable in daily life. A common mistake is saying, "What time now?" To avoid this, use the full sentence. You can ask question, "What time is it?" You may say, "Excuse me, what time is it?" For example, say, "What time is it now?" Sentence 16. I don't understand. This sentence shows confusion. I use it in class or conversations. You can use it when English is difficult. It is suitable in learning situations. A common mistake is feeling shy. Do not be shy. Use this sentence. You can say, "I don't understand." You may say, "I don't understand this." For example, say, "Sorry, I don't understand." Sentence 17. Can you say it again, please? This sentence asks for repetition. I use it when I miss information. You can use it in conversations and class. It is suitable in polite situations. A common mistake is saying, "Again, please." Use the full sentence. You can say, "Can you say it again, please?" You may say, "Can you repeat that, please?" For example, say, "Sorry, can you say it again?" Sentence 18. How much is this? This sentence asks about price. I use it when shopping. You can use it in markets or stores. It is suitable in shopping situations. A common mistake is pointing without speaking. Say the sentence clearly. You can ask question, "How much is this?" You may say, "How much is this one?" For example, say, "Excuse me, how much is this?" Sentence 19. I like this. This sentence shows preference. I use it when I enjoy something. You can use it for food, clothes, or ideas. It is suitable in casual situations. A common mistake is saying, "I like it this." Correct order is important. You can say, "I like this." You may say, "I really like this." For example, say, "I like this color." Sentence 20. See you later. This sentence says goodbye. I use it when I will meet someone again. You can use it with friends and coworkers. It is suitable in casual situations. A common mistake is using it at night. At night, say, "Good night." You can say, "See you later." You may say, "See you soon." For example, say, "Bye, see you later." Great job! You are learning English step by step. Remember, practice every day. Even one sentence a day is good. Please comment below and practice with me. Subscribe, like, and share this video. Watch the next video to continue learning with me. Thank you for learning with Tarano Speak English. See you again. Enjoy your English journey.